up in the organization or Trump himself. Could the fact that this investigation has gone on for so long and is so complex and there's so much evidence, could that sort of inform Merrick Garland as to whether or not he'll prosecute this? Because maybe it's like, well, they're getting him in Manhattan, so we don't need to get him federally. Is that ever?
All right. Go to
Hey, if anyone wants to give me a birthday present, they can donate to Planned Parenthood in my name.
There you go. Patreon.com.
Good job. You got a stop sign.
Go to Discord. So, yeah, there is not a sane universe in which this law is constitutional. Welcome to the monkey house.
I'm speechless. I don't even know what to do.
Man, that is such a nice place to stop.
What can we do about this?
Nothing.
Yeah, we can pack the. That is it. Alien Mistal wrote.
Like buying the rights to the pictures that are relevant, they have to like kind of go through their file and be like, all right, well, this one sort of fits.
Yeah, right, like an Ed Wood.
Hello. Dude. You're in the turn lane. My God. All right. Nope. Derp. You go. No, you go. All right, I'll go. Oh wait, now we're both going. There's a bike lane right here. Bike lane. Wrong side.
He is barely my assholes.
You are joking. You are joking. What the fuck? Somebody literally parked here. I don't think anybody's in there. Why the hell are you parked right there? How about you find a parking spot next time? God. Go. You're a fucking idiot. Oh my God. Every time I turn into this neighborhood, I swear. Every time. It's this guy again. It's literally this guy again. Holy sh... You again? Yeah. Learn how to park. No, this is the other direction of traffic. You can take 2 seconds and park your car. No. No. What are you doing? Don't enable. There's literally so many places you could stop. Literally so many. This guy again. Again. There's parking right over there. Jesus Christ.
I don't think they've done anything different
This
yet.
dropped on Tuesday and nothing has come of it yet. Murphy said that the hiring decision raises questions of whether the public lives of Catholic school employees should follow the church.
Oh my God, that guy.
And again, the discussion
He
we had
actually
about
did
her is
park in
that
a parking spot.
She's kind of outside the
Poorly,
idea that all
but
the people
at least
who
he
work in
did it.
Catholic school have to follow Catholic doctrine because she's not in charge of teaching.
Starts her own company. Hey,
Traffic goes that way.
Like another dimension or another realm, and we're just kind of just getting access to it, and you're just kind of filling in the blanks with whatever felt right. And so that's why I think it's really important. That's the only reason that
Your
I specified
lane
to
is
not
over
ask you to
there.
just think about it some more. So I think we have.
Great driving.
yeah, it's one, yeah.
Oh my God.
The Chicagoland area, and okay, so
Oh my God,
on
turn your
Monday,
lights on.
as we're talking, so Monday.
Good job. Wow, what a dick.
So yeah, Thursday of last week, the Diocese of Norwich decided
Good
to
job.
what they call 2 years of careful. The Vatican has zero commitment to their victims. Right? They talk a tall game and they impanel all kinds of investigative bodies and they put forward a bunch of symbolic reforms. But if they felt anywhere near as bad as they should about the children that they've been condemning to torture this whole time, the Vatican would keep pumping money into this diocese until every victim was fully compensated. They would sell off a few bars and
Why would you do that?
With some of those voters whose support they're going to need to hold the House and Senate.
Well, the reason I was saying that the two parties talk past one another, the Democrats seem to see populism in terms
Don't park in the bike lane.
in terms of taxes, spending, various.
A few inches later.
It may be rhetorically anti-corporate, but it's basically just culture wars. This is not an original comment here.
That's a great place to stand.
So, I guess, what is your sense about
Oh my
Hispanic
God.
vote? How much
Fuck
of that
off.
was a response to cultural populism on the right? While the
Unkempt. Hey, Mr. Unkempt, your plates are expired by 3 months. Might want to get on that. Supposed to ride on the street. Get off the sidewalk.
Here he comes.
You want to say it again?
Yeah. Supposed to ride. Read your handlebars. You're supposed to ride in the street.
Say it again.
Ride in the street.
Oh, yeah, 3 people got hit on the street, so fuck you.
It's the rules, man.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Okay. Bye.
Our hearts go after you. We try to be allies. SB 8 and the accompanying opinions use the word women. So when I'm quoting from the law, when I'm quoting from the opinions, I am going to use the word women because I'm quoting from those opinions. And I think there's also a larger point that I struggle with a little bit, and that is many of the religious impulses to control abortion and birth control are meant to control women. They're not meant to affect men, right? So I really do struggle with this. So if you're a trans listener, write in via Patreon or open arguments at gmail.com.
Your turn.
I struggle with this because I want to talk about the Republican
cereal bowl.
Yikes, even more. Okay.
Yeah, it's a term. So they wanted to write a memorial to a dead friend.
Wow.
And they went with a...
This is why we're on her side here, but this is what was happening at the state's Superior Court of Appeals. They also said,
The way you pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out.
you fired her because you could visibly see the pregnancy. What about men who impregnate women out of wedlock? I don't know the answer to that, so I'm not going to answer. But
can't park there. No parking. You'll get tickets.
The school never made any effort to determine whether.
Wednesday. Obviously, I need to thank Keith Enright in advance for giving me and Lucinda the better room at the Airbnb. Trust me, we land way earlier than him. He will. I need to thank Eli Bosnick in advance for letting me pinch his baby's cherubic little cheeks. I want to thank the lovely and talented Lucinda Lucians in advance for putting up with me for yet another trip. I need to thank Tim Robertson for all his hard work helping us get in this trip together. I need to thank Morgan Clark for doubling up on a bunch of editing so he could be with us this week. I want to thank Andrew Torres in advance for keeping Eli out of jail, given the scale of the pranks that he's been threatening us with. But most of all, of course, I want to thank...
Vaccinated? Yeah, if we're vaccinated, what's it looking like? So we're willing to come and spend a little money in your country. Yeah, we are ready.